Hello guys, this is a new mini haul that I decided to try some makeup out, see what it looked like on my skin, and if I liked it, if it was worth it. They were totally inexpensive, like, they were basically cheap and affordable, budget friendly. So here I'm just opening up the packages so I can release the product from the shipping packages and stuff. And so what I have is just like the basics, just the bare basics, and new products that I'm gonna be using, I guess, daily, like for daily wear, for everyday use. This is just like daytime makeup for me. It's not meant to be like real dramatic and dark. So this is what I got. So I have eyeshadow. This is a little palette that I got in fall colors. It came with 2 brushes. They're very soft. The next thing I got was liquid eyeliner, a basic liquid eyeliner in black. This is brow gel. It's a brown color, so it's not very dark, but it also matches my natural hair. That's concealer. It's a matte concealer. It's a little, it's like a shade darker than my color. That's my color of my face. Like basically, that's the closest any foundation has ever come. So I snagged that one real fast. That's a gold liner for your eyes, an eyeliner. And so what I'm doing is I'm just going to swatch them and see what, if the pigments are showing up, or if maybe maybe it's too dark. But here's me swatching them on my hand, and I will show you the results. This is just an up close. If you can see, there's a lot of glitter in some of them, and a lot of them are just matte colors, which I like. I like pink because, like, I just like pink. That was like my go-to color in college, like pink. But that's supposed to be kind of good for you. It's just a basic hydrator, tinted hydrator. It's not meant to be full coverage by any means, but it's pretty good. You'll see. It shows up real dense. It doesn't like skip out on anything. Like if you put it on, you wouldn't even know you didn't wear base. So here's the liner. It's literally gold. So here's the swatches. You can see the gold liner, the black liner, the gel. The gel's really like a lighter brown. You can see all the glitter in the eyeshadows. Some of them are high pigment, some of them are not. To the left is the concealer, to the right is the tinted hydrator. All around, I'd say I probably spent like less than $15 for this stuff. And in the end, I'd say it's worth it. Like, invest in something that's gonna make you feel good, look good. And yeah, that's all I can say about makeup, because really you're only as good as you apply it. And so, I mean, if you're gonna buy something that you're proud to wear and doesn't make you look like a clown. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.